Hi, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to be reading you a story, A Little Croc and Bird. Little Croc was always getting into trouble. He just couldn't help it. Play nicely, said Mummy Croc. Don't enjoy those. Annoy the other animals, said Daddy Croc. Okay, sighed the little croc, but he soon forgot. He ran across the backs of the hippos. He shouted at the zebras and made them jump. He swinged on the monkeys' tails and set the parrots into a panic. Little Croc was so naughty. Everyone hid when they saw him coming. Oh, good, he said. No more silly animals to get in my way. So Little Croc played by himself, and he always won. He played throw games, and he always threw the furthest. He played hide and seek. No one ever found him. I've won again, said Little Croc, but suddenly it seemed very quiet, and Little Croc felt lonely. As he lied, wondering what to do next, a small bird flew down and perched on his back. I'll be your friend if you promise to play nicely, said Bird. That's the trouble, sighed Little Croc. I want to be nice, but I'm not very good at it. It's quite easy, said Bird, if you really try. Said Little Croc thoughtfully. Could you show me? Of course, said Bird. So Bird showed Little Croc how to chase butterflies without hurting them. Now to swing on branches without swinging. Scaring the parrots. Oh, and how to play hide and seek together. When they laid on their backs and watched the fluffy white clouds drifting across the sky. I like having a friend, said little Croc. As the days passed, little Croc made friends with all the other animals too. He pulled thorns from the leopard's paw with his strong jaws. He untangled the snakes when they got themselves in the ambush. He combed the dots out of the lion's mane, and he gave the meerkats rides across the river. Mummy and Daddy Croc were so proud of little Croc, and if little Croc felt like doing something mischievous, Bird was there to make sure he didn't. At last, little Croc had learned how to play nicely. Well, most of the time. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe for more.